When you get to Google Apps for Education Training Center, you have a menu bar across the top. About is the first page that we're on, and if you see as you scroll down, you'll get some more information on the different levels of training that Google Apps provides. What you may want to do is go directly to the second item on the menu bar called Training, and come down to the Fundamentals Training. That is what this course is going to be based on. Google has a couple levels of certification. The Fundamentals Training, if you take the entire course on this site, you can be eligible to sit for the Certification 1 training for Google Apps. Once you get to the fundamentals, if you need to go to Unit 4, I think I started with Unit 4, you just simply scroll down, click on Unit 4, and this is the unit that basically deals with communication, and Google's communication is via email, so these items within this module are all, or this unit, are all related to Gmail. So basically you're going to come down and read all of this. When you get to anything that looks like this piece, what products we will cover, it tells you that throughout the unit they're going to be using these products to teach. You don't have to master them, but if you've never used them before, take a moment. So if you decided to go take a look at what Gmail is, and if you clicked on that, you would get to their help center, a resource center, which is like their help center. Take the time and read some of this information before you go back. And what it does is it opens up in a new tab pretty much in any browser. So if you think you're lost, if you just click back here, you'll get back to the training center. What skills you will need in some of the units, it will have this heading. Take time to look at each one of these, and if you basically, for instance, let's say apply Gmail filters, if you click on the Learn Now, it will open up yet another tab, and you can go through and look through all of these topics. Create a filter. There's step by step how to do each one of these processes. They did a really nice job of organizing this. Once you get to the very end and you're done looking through all of this and reading this, the next thing you're going to go to is use Gmail to communicate with your classroom and community, and it's right down here. Will take you to the next piece of the unit. Again, tells you the expected lesson time. The powers of Gmail, sometimes there's a video embedded. You can look at the transcript. You do not have to do any of these questions. You do not have to do a lesson check, although sometimes I like to. And you're going to go straight through the next one, organize and search Gmail to save time. And it's saying, are you sure you want to check what you've learned, make sure and track your progress? Are you sure you don't want to do a lesson check? I'm going to click on thanks, but I want to go forward. I don't want to do the lesson check. So I'm going to get to the end of this search Gmail to save time. That is all that is included in the Gmail. If you wanted to continue though at some other point in time, you can go right here to use Hangouts for real time and start reading about Hangouts and building groups and so on and so forth. Once you're done with that and you want to get to the next unit, you're just going to come back to Fundamentals Training and click to the next unit. So that's how easy it really is to navigate to Google with Google Apps. Make sure, I forgot to say, make sure that you're signed in so you get credit. You can at some point click on the progress and see how far you've gone. I think I just started this. I actually haven't done this. Well, I did it under another Gmail account, but I have 23 minutes so far. So that's it. Any questions, please feel free to email me.